Hey guys, how's it going? So, welcome to my channel, Iraavat Jewelry, and today I would like to share some very exciting news. So, we just got an order for a beautiful product that we had made recently, and let me introduce it to you today. This is a watch charm, okay, and it's made of a very cute little rose gold chain, and it has a hanging baroque pearl, and this is how it looks. So, let me show you how you wear it, okay? So I have this digital watch here, okay? You can use any digital watch or you can use any of your other watches as well, analog watches, but it looks really good on a digital watch. So you simply just slide it on one end and you're good to go. Yeah. So this is a very pretty piece that we had made recently and we got an order for this. So I would love to show you how it's made. Okay, and for that purpose I have this same chain here. So it is a brass chain, okay, which is polished in rose gold, and I have another tiny little baroque pearl, and yeah, that's about it. So let's get into it. Okay, first let me take my ruler out and measure the length of chain that is required. So we will probably require about, say, 3 inches. Okay, I usually like to eyeball these things. Okay, and there we go. So we have our length of chain. Okay. Let me measure it. Yep, 3 inches. Okay, so I'll get the ruler out of the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my other little tool which will help me open one of the links on the chain. Okay, so I have opened the link a little bit and I'm going to take the other end and I'm just going to slide it in. Now I'm going to close it up. Pretty simple, right? So it needs a little bit of a gentle push, and okay, so I have my little round chain ready. Let's get to the baroque pearl hanging. So I have this tiny eye pin, okay, so I'm going to simply put it through the pearl and I'm going to take my round nose plier right here and I'm going to put it through one of the links in the chain. I'm just going to twist it around. I'm going to take my cutter and I'm going to chop off the extra chain, the extra eye pin, I'm sorry. And now what I'm doing is very important because otherwise the exposed edge of the eye pin can create slight scratches, in case there is any friction. So yeah, here you go. Voila. Our cute little watch charm is ready to go. And let's just see how it looks on the watch Once again, see, pretty simple. It looks really cute too, wouldn't you say? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel and like and follow for more. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.